different ideas to make passive income online, or you want to develop websites using skills like WordPress, PHP, HTML5, or MySQL, or many other tools and languages, but you don't have the time to do all that, then there is Elevate, which is a web-based application for you, which will help you to make passive income without investing too much of your time. So now you can build websites by using WordPress templates, and you can make authoritative websites, and you can buy authoritative domains. So in a little while, I will explain you what these authoritative domains are and how you can build these authoritative websites and how you can earn money using this web-based application, which is called Elevate. So basically, let me tell you this before we get into other details. If you are a beginner or you have been trying to make money online but you couldn't succeed, then this system will definitely help you earn money. Because it's a very beginner friendly system and you don't have to deal with traffic. So it's proven by 67 beta testers, which made actually $42,000, and you just have to set it up once, and you can scale $50 to $100 every 30 minutes. So you don't require any experience, you don't have to wait for too long, and you don't need traffic, and you don't need too much of technical skills to develop these websites and find those domains by searching other webs and going in depth and all that. So it's your shortcut to instant online success. And they also come with a money back guarantee, 365 days, which is 1 year. This is a good feature. Okay, you will get, it's risk free, you can get paid $200 if you fail. Okay, so here is the introduction video to this software, web-based software. This is basically the sales page, as you can see here. Okay, so after a little introduction, you don't require any solo ads, Facebook, no Instagram, no YouTube, no, you don't have to make videos, no content creation. Okay, then what you will do, you will make websites, and with just a few clicks, you don't have to learn languages to create those websites, and you can sell these websites to other people and for thousands of dollars and scale your profit. Okay, so you're just 3 steps away. They're telling you you have to purchase this software, and then you have to activate it, set it up, and then you enjoy the commissions or the profits you're earning. Okay, this is something that I really enjoy, the money coming into your account. See, people are making sales. So it works on autopilot. Okay, all the beginners can use it easily. You see, beta tester 1, he has scaled $203, and then he has scaled $594. Okay, $802. Okay, so let me tell you about what this sales page is quite lengthy. I don't like long and too much informative, you see, sales pages. I just like simple and short. Yeah, this is good. This annoys very much when you don't see any sales coming in, but obviously with this system it is easy. Everything is ready for you. You just have to do it with a few clicks, and they are even solving the traffic problem for you, which requires a little hard work. Okay, and then you will see this. You will get soon these commissions. You start collecting the profits. Okay, then they have a few bonuses for you as well if you buy this product, and you will be getting access to those bonuses once you are in the members area. So it's like ditch your 9 to 5 job, live with peace of mind, travel the world. It's basically work from home. You don't have to go to your 9 to 5 job. And with Corona, with COVID-19, with lockdowns, I think this is a good opportunity for you to start your own business. It's a great idea, starting your own business. Okay, so see, that's what I was talking about. It's quite lengthy sales page. Yeah, you can see here, you purchase a copy. Here's everything you're getting when you purchase a copy of Elevate. So what you will be getting, you'll be getting a web application that works for iOS, that works for Android, that works for iPhone, that works for yes, iOS, Mac, iPhone, Android, PC. That works for everything basically. So then you have Elevate Autopilot technology. This allows Elevate to function on autopilot instead of you having to do all the work manually. So everything will be done for you. Then there is this monetization in which you will be getting paid $50 to $100 every 30 minutes, and then Elevate training, in which they will be training you to show all the ins and outs, so there's no room for confusion. They will be guiding you throughout this process. And then there is this support team. Simply hit them up and they will assist you right away. Okay, so the bonuses you will be getting once you buy this product, which is worth for $1,588. So what are those bonuses? You will access all these bonuses once you're inside the members area. Elevate Drive. This app gives you unlimited cloud hosting for free. Okay, you can do the cloud hosting here. No longer you will have to be held hostage by Google or Dropbox and give them hundreds every year. You just have to buy this software at one-time cost, or with a simple upgrade, upsell they will be giving you. And then there are no other hidden charges or softwares which you will have to buy later on to do this work. And then they have Elevate Send. Try the paying monthly fees for autoresponders, then don't. With Elevate Send, you just get sent. Okay, they are also giving you autoresponder within this Elevate system. That will be actually the bonus that is coming with this system, in which you can have your own Elevate's autoresponder. You can send emails to so many people out there who are waiting to buy products like these. So then they have Elevate Host. Although a website isn't required with Elevate, this is a handy tool. If you do have a website, you will be able to host it for free. If you have other websites and you want to host them, then here is the opportunity. Elevate Funnels. Another great tool made by the Elevate development team. This serves as a free replacement to your funnel builder, allowing you to have thousands of dollars yearly. Then they have YouTube Mation, most complete marketing, I think, yeah, solution for YouTube ever. Then FB Mation for Facebook. It's again a marketing tool for Facebook. Okay, so that's it. Now let me take you to this software and tell you how this software works. Okay. Once you log into this software, you see a dashboard like this, and you'll find domain finder here, and website builder here, how you can build your website, and then ultra poster. I will tell you about this ultra poster and domain finder in a little bit detail. Website builder is basically, you will be able to upload the WordPress templates, and you can, let me show you here. Wait a second. Okay, so you can see here, it's taking too long, I don't know what's the matter. Okay, let's get here, and that's how they are creating a website. Yeah, you can fill all these details which they have shown you. And you press send, and then it's loading. They will load a WordPress template for you, and this is your website. And then you can select the theme for your website. Okay, so that's it. You can select its appearance, then you can customize it. You can you can edit the widgets, menu, headers, backgrounds, and you can then get started with this online. So then you will be needing two things: a domain finder, how you will be able to find a authoritative domain. So basically they have here a collection of 4,582 authoritative domains, which you don't have to go to other websites and look for them and search for them and spend hours and hours to find that specific and cheap domain for yourself. They have all those authoritative domains here. You can buy them at the cost of $1, and not at the cost of $1. So basically the cost will be given with each website, but these are very cheap website domains which you can buy. So basically authoritative website comes with backlinks. So let me tell you what a backlink is. So basically a strong backlink is, let's suppose this is your website. Okay, it has a strong contextual backlink from other website. You see, this is the other website which contains a link to your website and is in the same industry as of your website. So basically it is giving you one of its link which you can use on your website to make it look to make it grow more organically. When people see these backlinks and they come to your website because it is organic and it is a real website. So how you can check how many backlinks does a website have? So basically you go here and type check backlinks, and then you open this first link here and you put a URL. Let's suppose I should Google sites. You copy this link, you paste it here, and you check the backlinks. So it's processing. I am not robot. So this captcha. Okay, you can see here domain rating 98, 0 backlinks. Why does it say 0 backlinks? It's not possible. So Google, oh sorry, that was the wrong URL. I go here and I paste it here. Okay, you solve the captcha there. Now practice. Okay, traffic lights. You solve this captcha. Okay, you see 26,000 backlinks. So basically this website, Google site, is authoritative website. So that's how you can check how authoritative one website is, and if you should invest in it, you should work with it or not. So that's it for domain finder. And then they have this ultra poster there. You can post this import this social on different social media websites. They will generate those posters for you. You can get text post, you can get image post for your Pinterest or your Instagram, video post for YouTube, then HTML post for your blog or website, and link post. All these posts will be generated for you, and you can go to these websites, social media platforms where you can, Twitter, get the traffic from. So I think that's it for this software. Then there's your profile upgrade, so you can support is available. If you have any question, you can go and hit the support button and ask your questions. Okay, now let's talk about the Elevate's upsells. So the unlimited OTO is for $39, in which you will be getting experience slingshot without limits. You can create unlimited campaigns, unlock unlimited capabilities on everything inside your account. So basically, you will be getting access to unlimited campaigns. And then there is done for you OTO upsell, which is for $197. In this done for you, all the campaigns will be done for you. They will auto tune or fine tune your Elevate account, and then you can just start making profits. Okay, then 1 hour profits, that's for $197. You don't have to you don't have to wait a week for results. You can start making money in 1 hour. Okay, diamond edition, which is for $197. Again, this is your choice. Just TMI5, obviously the vendors 5 proven done for you profit sites that make him $8 or 5 per day, and then traffic is built into them, and they are 100% automated, allowing you to enjoy passive income. So 1K paydays, that's for $197. Again, you won't need you have all the traffic you need, plenty of it, and with the monetization upgrade, this problem is solved. You will be able to turn your traffic into 1K commissions, and with no efforts. You can earn commissions without putting any effort. So limitless traffic, that's OTS 6 for $197, and this upgrade team will be able to deliver done for you traffic and sales for your customers. Okay, then the reseller rights for $197. You can sell this software as your own by just paying this much cost, which is $197. So thank you for watching the review video. If you have any questions, then you can ask me down in the comment section below. And if you want to buy this product and you want to make passive money, passive income online, then there is a link down below in the description. You can go check it out and you can buy this product. It will definitely help you make money online. So thank you so much for watching.